Every great hide begins its journey on land like this.
Only the healthiest stock moves forward in the process. From pasture to processing, the chain begins. Every hide is tracked from its very first mile. The raw material is on its way to transformation. This is where raw hide becomes refined craft.
The gates open and the real work begins.
Every crate carries the next stage of a long process. Raw material moves toward its first checkpoint.
Inside, the true scale of the operation reveals itself.
Nothing enters the process without a record. Order here determines quality later.
The journey inward has begun.
What comes next transforms raw material into raw craft.
This facility has run for generations, refining an ancient craft. Every shift begins the same disciplined way.
Protection here is as important as precision.
Coordination keeps this operation running like clockwork.
The heart of the facility comes alive.
Each station plays its part in a carefully engineered sequence. The transformation of raw hide is about to begin. Cleaning begins the long path toward refinement.
Every fiber must be free of impurity before it moves forward. Inspection determines the path each hide will take. Precision sorting ensures nothing is wasted. Horn and hide follow parallel paths toward the same craftsmanship. Artisan. Patience at this stage protects everything built afterward.
Now the hide begins its true transformation. Inside these drums, raw hide begins its true chemical transformation. Each rotation works the treatment deeper into the material.
Careful control at this stage defines the quality of everything downstream. Excess must be removed before the next transformation can begin.
Every drop removed brings the hide closer to its final form.
Shape and structure are locked in at this critical stage. What goes in raw will come out ready for the next transformation. The hide now carries structure, grained, ready to be shaped further.
Only the finest layer moves forward for luxury finishing.
Color is where craftsmanship begins to show its character.
Time and patience determine the depth of every shade.
What emerges now carries the signature tone of the finished product. From here, precision machinery takes over the process.
Modern technology now takes the craft to its next level.
Precision here happens at a scale no human hand could match. Every measurement is verified before a single cut is made.
What once took hours of hand cutting now happens in seconds.
Each panel is routed toward its final purpose. Horn and hide are refined side by side, each with its own precision line. Only flawless material advances to the finishing stage. Now, human craftsmanship returns to complete what machines began.
Some details still demand the touch of human hands. Polish reveals the natural beauty locked within the material.
Every stitch is placed with the precision of decades of skill. The smallest details separate luxury from the ordinary.
Assembly brings together every stage that came before it.
Nothing moves forward without meeting exacting standards.
Before anything is packaged, it must prove itself in the lab. Every batch must prove its durability before it earns approval. Strength here translates to durability in the final product. Consistency in color is a signature of true craftsmanship.
Even the smallest fibers tell the story of quality.
Horn must meet the same rigorous standard as every other material. Approval here means the product is ready for the world.
The final stage begins, preparing luxury for its journey outward.
Presentation matters as much as the product itself.
Each sealed box carries months of careful process inside it.
The final product now stacked, ready for its next journey.
Every shipment is verified before it leaves the facility.
Storage here is as precise as every stage before it. And this is how modern factories produce hide and horn products from start to finish. From ranch to reception, a journey of craftsmanship, complete.